Yet.
No, but we received actionable intelligence on his bomb maker. The situation is developing.
Developing? Do you have him or not?
A Delta team just took him down. I'm sending you the footage now.
What's their status?
They have Volk in custody, but their OPSEC's been compromised.
In English, General, please.
They're gonna have to shoot their way to the extraction point.
General, I want this man Volk alive. I don't care what it takes. You bring those men home in one piece.
There's our ride. Get moved. Let's go. Move.
Iron Lady. Om het truck. Kom op. Oh, why? Shit. Fuck. Oh man, oh shit. Ja. What a fuck guy.
Sending crew.
Huh?
Targeting system online. TV, verify you see our friendlies. Roger that. Friendlies are marked with white diamonds. Just to confirm, crew, we are not declared a fire on buildings. We suspect there are civilians still inside at this point.
Do not engage the buildings.
Metal 01, establish an orbit over AO Hammer. Request mark, over.
Red smoke on the LZ. Need you to service targets north of that location. Everything else except danger close is clear to shoot.
Copy that, Metal 01, we got you.
Shut out!
Crew, you're clear to engage any enemy personnel around you see. Keep fire south of the red smoke.
Yeah, direct hits right there.
Shut out!
Yeah, that tank ain't going nowhere.
Warhammer, target is destroyed. Thanks for the assist.
Solid copy, Metal 01. Overlord, Metal 01 is clear. Green light, bomb run on target area. West to east, I repeat. West to east.
Copy, west to east. Odin 6, you are cleared for bomb run TRP 5001.
Crew, hold fire to the south. Friendly birds are entering the airspace. Set scan range. Adjust elevation scan.
Staan hier verder, moet ik precies?
Metal 01, we're
Is dat
seeing
terecht,
enemy
genau?
activity headed your way. Recommend you hold your position until we've swept up, over.
Roger, we'll go.
Clear to engage all those guys.
There we go.
All right, they're falling back. Move up.
This is the BTR moving down the street ahead of them. Neutralizing targets, Metal 01, danger close. Repeat, danger close.
Yeah, direct hits right there.
Waarom sterf ik?
Yeah, direct hits right there.
Enemies on our flank. Gun ready. Warhammer, we're getting hit from all directions down here. Good work, Warhammer. We're Oscar Mike.
Metal 01, we're engaging targets ahead of you. Hold your position.
Two enemy birds in the center of the fork there.
Target reset. Clean up that signal.
Gun ready.
Good shot. Vehicles neutralized.
Metal 01,
Boom,
looks
boom.
like you're clear to move up. We'll keep an eye on you.
We're gonna keep left at the fort. Over. Warhammer, we got RPG
Oh, shit,
fire from the
man.
building in front of us. Need you to hit it now.
Copy that. We got smoke trails from RPG fire to the northwest.
Overlord, we're seeing small arms. RPG fire from the corner building to the northwest. Request permission to engage.
Copy, stand by. Affirmative, Warhammer. You are
Must
cleared to
Morgan.
fire on any buildings with enemy personnel.
Crew, you're cleared to engage the corner building.
Thanks for the assist.
Ooh,
We're gonna go through
wonderful.
the hotel across the street.
Big inbound, 10 o'clock. Incoming missile.
Shit, no clock.
Nee.
There's flares.
Fuck.
Signal.
Chester 2-5, breaking away. In pursuit. Stay on them. Airspeed 300, going for missile lock. Warhammer Legends pinging all over the place. We need to clear out.
Ja, hebben.
6-2.
Weer zo'n piloot.
We're taking more fire from the embassy. Give us a hand. Building in front of the courtyard. Give me a 105.
Oh, geil.
We're under heavy
Geil.
fire. Give us 5 mics to circle back around.
We're taking heavy fire.
Weer zo'n.
MG down now.
Dit Weg, bin auf dem Weg. Ist das dort, Mann? Gut, fahren. Jetzt wird richtig gesehen. Sehr schön. MSR. Nein. Nein. Hey, so schlecht. So schlecht, so schlecht. Dragonov ist einfach schon viel geil. Amalabba. Da ist noch einer, wo... Vor. Hey, was schießt noch, Mann? Nein, so ein Dreck! So ein Dreck, Mann. Hat die Dragonov gehabt, die alle weggefickt haben. Ja, komm rauf dort. Komm. Hey, 3 Schüsse. Hey. Ja, so schlecht! Ich muss da wieder etwas Automatisches haben, schnell. Kommt das oben rein. Gibt mein Leben nicht, ey. Also bin ich plötzlich so verdammt nochmal Nein, nein! So schlecht! Wow, nicht gerade Mühe, ey. Wow! Oh Mann. Jetzt können wir von vorne irgendwo raus. So. Einen kurzen Prozess machen. Hier oben haben wir noch 2. Dort oben. Die wurde Kugel kaputt geschossen. Dekoration schließen. Wo ist er? Dort ist er. Nein. So. Oh doch. Fuck, Panzermann. Shit. Nice, Rustpanzer. Ich möchte gerne wieder YouTube wechseln. Das Sauhund jetzt endlich. Okay, wir sind wieder da. Blip. Oh, let me them all away.
Wait for a clear shot. Don't want to hit our guys.
Floor it! Take out those choppers! Shot now! Hit those birds now!
Hey, hallo.
Get these choppers off our ass, Warhammer! Hit those birds now! Take out those choppers!
Hey, wie schlecht.
Oh, stop, stop, stop!
One of our vehicles is down.
Ja, jetzt haben sie sich abgeholt. Ja, hey, gut.
Warhammer, the convoy is stalled!
Boom.
The bridge!
Fuck, fuck, fuck. Das ist doch mal geil, ey. Die eure Mission ist super geil zu machen. Sorry, Alter. Ja, wie wollen wir die genau ausschalten, die Tanks?
Use the javelin and take out those tanks!
Javelin und wo ist... Ah. So blöd.
Use the javelin and take out those tanks!
Bam!
Other one! Take out that other tank!
Wo ist dieser? Bam!
Down!
Established overhead. Ready for targets.
Moving up, cover me! I got you covered!
Uh-huh. 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 Uh-huh.
Roger that. Taking out targets ahead of you.
So, komm. Heli, bomb sie weg. Oder Flügerli. AC 130, boom, boom, boom. Nicht richtig sie da, hm?
Moving up, cover me! Come on!
Ah!
Established overhead. Ready
Nicht top play. Ich hab mal nach vorne. Fuck, fuck.
Black LZ at grid 2775.
Was müssen wir steuern, Mann?
Position. We got 3 minutes until Cass gets here.
Metal 01 engaging the target. Danger close.
Ja, aber nicht da drauf, hm?
Red smoke on the LZ. Need
Oh.
you to service target. Okay. Mark the target with smoke for us.
Established overhead. Ready for targets.
Warhammer, we have enemy air support coming in. Need you to take care of them.
Roger that. Taking out targets ahead of you.
Ja, und jetzt bitte, hallo?
01 with Bingo on control. Castle Peter in 30 seconds.
Ich kann nicht, muss ich schon haben.
Roger. 30 seconds, gentlemen.
Ja, mit dem Abwarten.
They got a tunnel rolling in from the tower. Last round.
Scheiß Granaten ein.
01 026. Can't tell which one out there. We need to mark the targets.
Negative, nothing left to use. We're dead center on the bridge. Hit anything north of us with everything you've got.
Overlord, Bomber is going to level everything in that area. Requesting clearance. Odin, do whatever you have to get those men back home. Metal 01, this is Odin 6, Bob's away.
The
So, komm, Bombe mal runter, Mann. Sehr schön. Yes, Baby. So muss das sein, Mann. Das ist natürlich ganz schlecht, hä? Einer von Turm da ein bisschen umkippert und so. Ja, einsteigen, Jungs. Einsteigen, Jungs. Sorry Leute, ab hier hat es leider nicht mehr weiter aufnehmen, aber die Mission war eh gerade fertig gewesen. Und ich hoffe, ihr seid im nächsten Teil wieder dabei. Einen schönen zusammen.